Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be discussing a topic that has been on the minds of many people in recent years: how artificial intelligence or AI is putting an end to jobs. The rise of AI has led to concerns about job loss and the future of work, but what exactly is happening and why are certain jobs at risk? Let's find out. Artificial intelligence is having a profound impact on the job market, with many jobs being automated or replaced by AI systems. This includes jobs in industries like manufacturing, retail, and even finance. The reason for this is that AI systems can perform many tasks faster, more accurately, and more efficiently than human workers, and they don't need breaks, vacations, or benefits. One notable example is the layoffs that happened at Google after the implementation of their chatbot, ChatGPT. So, which jobs are most at risk of being replaced by AI? According to experts, jobs that involve repetitive tasks or routine data entry are the most vulnerable. This includes jobs like cashiers, data entry clerks, and assembly line workers. These jobs are at risk because they can be easily automated by AI systems that are programmed to perform repetitive tasks quickly and accurately. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, empathy, and critical thinking are less likely to be automated. This includes jobs like doctors, teachers, and social workers. These jobs are safe from automation because they require a level of human interaction and decision-making that cannot be replicated by AI systems. So, what can you do to prepare for the future of work in an AI-driven world? The answer is to focus on developing skills that are difficult to automate, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Additionally, consider upskilling or reskilling in areas like data analysis, digital marketing, and software development, which are in high demand in today's job market. In conclusion, the rise of AI is having a significant impact on the job market, with many jobs at risk of being automated or replaced. However, by focusing on developing skills that are difficult to automate and upskilling in areas that are in high demand, you can prepare for the future of work in an AI-driven world. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.